Hi everybody, it's Clarizz. Welcome back to my channel. I've been fortunate to partner with Cricut Canada to show you guys 2 holiday gift ideas that you can all make for your loved ones this holiday season with dun, da, 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 the Cricut Maker 3. You know that I'm obsessed with Cricut. It's just like an absolutely must-have for craft lovers out there, DIY lovers out there like myself. I'm super excited to share with you guys this video. I hope that you love these 2 amazing DIYs, and let's get right to it.
Our first DIY is super simple yet so cute. It's all about acrylic right now, you guys. It's just all about this craze. So I put it in the description box where I got these from, but this is going to be a really simple DIY. We're going to go ahead in Design Space to personalize our own cute ornaments that you can all give away to your loved ones this holiday season. So I'm just gonna put my daughter's name as a sample. Her name is Anatalia, and you can go ahead. There's so many different types of fonts on Design Space, and I am just in love with all of the script ones, so naturally I will go with that. So having measured the length and the width of our acrylic ornament, you can go ahead and just customize the size that you want. You can have it big or small, however you want. So we're gonna go ahead and make this project, and I'm just gonna choose the one on the mat because I will have some scrap pieces that I'll be using for this project. And so you want to go ahead and pick your base material. I just have a simple permanent vinyl, and once you have that, it is going to prompt you to load your mat in. And you guys, the Cricut Maker 3 is actually twice as fast. Did you guys see that? It's actually twice as fast as the other machines. It's pretty crazy. This literally cut it in less than 30 seconds, and it's amazing. You can just do so many in such little time. So there you go. It's going to prompt you to unload it, and now all we have to do is weed this and use our transfer paper to put it on our beautiful acrylic ornaments. And you know, you can be so creative with these. You can paint the back of this with different colors. You can have different themes and then just add your ribbon. I added one with a bell, and they just look absolutely beautiful. Our next gift idea are these customized LED engraved signs. I mean, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this, guys. I will have everything and all of this stuff in the description box below once again, but we are going to be working with acrylic again, and you do just have to make sure that you have the right tools for this. So we're going to be using the number 41 engraving tip, as well as these acrylic blanks, and they are a certain size. So I'll have everything linked below. So the first thing you want to do is prep your mat. You're going to need a strong grip mat, which is this purple one. And we're placing this acrylic blank at a certain spot. So you're going to want to remember, you know, the placement, the certain number, whether it's like, you know, a centimeter off to the right. So for example, I've chosen these numbers and this corner as my reference point. So I will have to place my objects once we are in Cricut Design Space in that exact same spot. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a design. Let's do something for the bar. So I think I want to have Santa there. It's great because Cricut Design Space literally has anything and everything for whatever occasion you want, and there's so many different types of, you know, like images or shapes and drawings that it's really cool. There's everything you need there. So I really like the Santa. He's cool, but because it's for the bar, he's kind of missing something. So we're gonna go ahead into the images section again, and let's go look for a wine bottle. Why not? Everybody needs a little drink this Christmas. So there we go. Ooh, I really like this one. I like that because it says wine. It's perfect. So we're just gonna have Santa hold this up, and again, it's great because everything you can customize, you can place it wherever you want. Okay, that looks about right. Perfect. Doesn't that look good? All right, so now I'm just going to highlight everything. And we just want to go ahead and see how it's going to look when it's engraved. So you want to go up here on the operations section and then just press on click on engrave. So this is how it's going to look, and this is how it's going to engrave on our acrylic. And it's looking good. It's not too complicated. It looks simple. So I think we're gonna go ahead, right click that, and then just attach it, so that when we go ahead and move everything, everything is going to move all at once. Now we're gonna go ahead in the font section, and I do want to write something below Santa. Let's pick Eat, Drink, and Be Merry. So I'm just gonna fast forward this part a little bit, just because it's going to take a little long to find my perfect fonts. Once again, there's so many different types of fonts that you're gonna find your font, you know what I mean? As mine is always script like this. I always have to put like something simple, and then it has to be handwriting at the end. That's just my thing. But anyway, so that looks really nice. Now go ahead and make sure that everything is under engrave, and you can go ahead and see that in the right hand side as well. You see everything is all engraved. All right. So you want to highlight everything and then attach everything. Just like this. Right click and attach. Perfect. It's not going to all move. It's all together. That's how we want. And now we are going to go under the shapes category, and we're just going to go ahead and get a square. And this square is going to be the exact same size as our square acrylic. So I think I measured 13 by 13. So you want to make it that size so that we know exactly where to place our Santa. You can right click and move Santa forward so that it's in front of our square, so we know exactly where to place him. There you go. That looks good. And now we are ready to make it. So go ahead and click on Make It. And we are going to do on mats. And you'll see here we have that square, which is the exact same size as our acrylic. And then just go ahead and put Santa where you want him to be. So this square is obviously a guide, and what we're gonna do is we're going to click on that. And then you see here where there's the 3 little dots. You wanna move the object onto a different mat, so that's out of our way. And the only thing that we're going to do is engrave Santa. So there's our square there, and there we go. It says engrave. It's perfect. All right, so we are going to be making this. We're gonna set our base material to acrylic, and it is going to be the 2mm one. That is what I'm using. So go ahead and click that. So now it's going to prompt you to load the engrave tool. So you can go ahead and do that if you haven't already done so. And it's going to prompt you to load your mat, and it's going to measure the mat in length as always. So make sure that nothing is behind the Cricut machine. And all you have to do is press go. And let's see this magic happen. Oh, by the way, if you guys didn't know, there's no other machine that can do this. No other Cricut machine that can engrave like this. Only the Cricut makers, which is amazing. It's just so unique. And look at it when it's done. It looks amazing and professional. And all you got to do is clean it up, because there's going to be a little bit of excess acrylic in there. And then take off the backing, and look how amazing they look.
I mean, I'm like literally obsessed with these two things. I just can't wait to make so many things with this Cricut maker, and I really want to know you guys' ideas. Let me know what other ideas you can make with a Cricut Maker 3. I would love for you all to share with everybody else, and I really hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye!
Whoa, oh, oh.